Going to change the clutch on the Volvo today. So I've been to see my friends at Foreign Auto Parts in Burton, and I've bought myself this LUK clutch. I've fitted a few clutches, some other ones that have been not very good. I fitted one in the wife's Zafira that was a national clutch and it was rubbish. So I've got a nice LUK clutch here for it. It's a 3-piece clutch kit. Pretty good price really for an LUK one. That'll be we're going on the car tomorrow now, 'cause it's just gone 9 o'clock at night on Saturday, so tomorrow will be the day. Now, one thing I was going to struggle with doing this was the fact that my axle stands are currently propping up the Mini in the garage, so they're a little bit kind of off limits. So I've been to Halfords this evening and bought myself some new axle stands. I had a look on the website. I wanted some of these ratchet ones. Not had any before. I borrowed a friend's when I did the brakes earlier in the week, and they were brilliant. So I've been to Halfords and bought myself a set. They were quite good. £30 for a pair of axle stands, but I used my trade card, so they came down to 24. So it's not bad at all, really. We'll see how they go on with the job tomorrow. Empty up into the car. Hello, car. One Volvo gearbox removed. The Dow's put up a right old fight, but we got there in the end. I think we'll give them a real good clean up before it goes back in, otherwise we'll be fighting it. So, I'm going to get the clutch out now, see what state that's in. Looks, I don't know how well you can see, the light doesn't look very good, but it looks pretty rusty up there. 152,000 miles, 25 years. Got a lip there. There's a rivet started to protrude, it looks like, on there.
Hi. I think it's an axle stand.
Let's have a good look at the flywheel.
Ollie, should I try and do an ollie? Yeah. There's an ollie. Not quite. What was that squeaking?
Steering wheel.
Oh.
Hello. Apologies, the camera died just before we got everything finished up, but as you can see, the new clutch works a treat. Although the old one didn't look in too bad condition, 150,000 miles, it was definitely past its best. So clutch is all done, and the Volvo drives a lot better now. Thanks for watching, and in the future I'll try and capture more of the content. And thanks James for the help.